Hi, this is Team OptiX. We are on the hackathon track for the gluex tasks at the Hyperlift Hackathon. And today we're going to talk about method to solve smart reallocation of assets. My name is Xingyu. I am a PhD student in statistics and data science at Wharton.
And my name is Navan. I'm an undergrad at Penn studying electrical engineering and math.
The problem we're trying to tackle here is that APY volatility of all the assets on chain are very huge. So we want our users to quickly switch their position to earn the best APY. However, switching to different vaults blindly can cost you a lot of money. So we need a method to calculate the real APY after factoring all different kinds of fees and transaction costs. And our method is using real-time data from the chain via the gluex API to calculate risk-adjusted and cost-aware ranking of different assets. And then we quickly reallocate to the new assets with the optimal APY that we calculated. So the way it works is that we're going to first fetch data through the API, and we calculate the cost-aware APY, and we weigh the different risk and liquidity factors and rank our best option, and then generate the call data so we can deploy on chain. And here is an example. You see, even though the nominal APY can be really high, if you factor into the cost, that can cost a lot of money and leading to a much lower APY in the end. And here is a example of our demo. Suppose our user has 100,000 holdings of the current assets. We can show their projected growth with the current APY that they are earning, with all the statistics that they will care about. And we also allow our users to deposit and redeem their assets. So for example, if our user is interested in deposit 1,000, that will be updated in real time here. And we also allow the users to evaluate all the different allocations. This is our main algorithm, which will interact with the gluex API. And retrieve all the data and analyze which is the best option. As you can see, it is evaluating the investing opportunities at different vaults while the progress bar is working. So if you wait for a little bit of time, a few seconds, it will show up to you the best options so far and the corresponding API. As you can see here, we see a very good investment opportunity with a much higher APY. And once we compare, the user compares that and factor into the risk that we calculate through the TVL, we can click the generate reallocation call data to finally get a quote data, and that will allow us to deploy on the chain. And we also support to doing what you just saw in a quick button that does everything. So that is our demo. Thank you so much.